So that one, she's gonna teach you English, Nigerian to Tagalog, right? So you will be the one.
Why would anybody want to learn Nigerian in the I'm British living in the Philippines.
So you have
and
additional.
you want me to learn Nigerian?
So you have additional knowledge. You got additional learnings. You know, because you need to learn more. You know, another language. And you're grateful that.
Why don't you do it?
No, I know already. So the Tagalog.
What is it?
Wait,
What is
darling.
it?
The Tagalog is
I didn't know
here.
you could speak Nigerian.
Your answer is here.
This
Okay.
is my answer.
Yeah.
That
That's
is Tagalog, Daddy.
that's your
This is all
answer.
Tagalog.
Yeah.
So you got 5 questions. Lovely radio the question, and then that's your answer.
Ah,
Pretend that you don't know the answer. Okay?
pretend. Did you turn it off again?
No, I didn't.
Good.
I mean for my reels, so that it looks funny.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, go.
Dog. Aja.
Do I get time to answer?
No.
You don't say.
I will read the Nigerian.
And then Lovely will say, "What's the Tagalog, Daddy?" And you answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Dog.
Aso.
Wait.
Just wait for her signal to say, "Daddy, what's the Tagalog?" And then you answer. Okay? Okay, Lovely, go.
Dog. Aja. What, Daddy? What is the Tagalog of dog?
Aso.
Ingna po, Nigerian, Aja. Okay.
Okay.
Usab.
Dog. Nigerian. Aja. Daddy, what is the Tagalog of dog?
Aso.
Yeah. Chicken. Nigerian. Adaye. Daddy, what is the Tagalog of chicken?
Adobo.
Correct. Cat. Nigeria. Alongbo. What is the Tagalog of cat?
You can read that. Slopgo.
Shupaw.
Shupao.
Next question, number 4. Pig. Nigeria. Ize. What is the Tagalog of pig?
Lechon.
Yeah. 5 questions. Snake. Agua. Nigerian. Agua. What is the Tagalog of snake, Daddy?
Marites.
Wow, you got perfect score.
I bet you this is a setup. This is all crap, isn't it?
No, it's not.
No, Daddy. It's a Tagalog version.
Well, why are you grinning at her?
No.
Going. Okay, I did my time.
You dance, darling.
I'm not gonna dance anymore.
Ay?
Ito, konti ng mga
What?
Tagalog po.
What are you
O sige,
going to do
Tagalog.
there?
Hige pa dayon.
Ang saman ako ikuan.
Ikaw, o
Excuse
sa
me,
man?
miss. Can somebody talk to me?
She wanted to dance. She wanted to
No, she
dance,
doesn't
and you
want me
don't
to
want.
dance. You're just telling her. Tell her you want to dance.
Dance, darling. Kato pa. Just one more.
No.
Search sa.
Ah,
Let's go.
kato rang dance. Okay.
Now, come on. Don't pick your nose when you're on camera.
No, it's not on, Daddy.